Want to sell on eBay without managing any inventory? I'll show you how to use Amazon FBA to fulfill everything in 2025. So let's say you get an order on eBay and you also have the same exact item on Amazon in your FBA inventory, just like it shows right here. So you can see right here, we have the FBA inventory. We also have it on eBay. If somebody purchases it on eBay, Amazon automatically gets notified, automatically ships it to the eBay customer, and automatically puts in the tracking number. So everything, all you have to do is just ship all your inventory to Amazon, and then everything is integrated with Amazon, which is awesome. Now, in order to do this, you're just going to Google Map My Channel, should be the first one. You're going to sign up for this free service, log in. Once you log in, you're going to click sign up down here and then just sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to onboard. You're going to connect your eBay account first. Then you're going to connect your Amazon account. And then you're just going to go through the rest of the settings. Once you're done with that, then you're simply going to go back to eBay and make sure your eBay listing has the same exact SKU as your Amazon listing. Your Amazon listing should have available FBA inventory. And again, the SKUs should match on each platform, which is the most important thing. So that way this tool can automatically track in between those, right? So once that's done, now when somebody places an order on eBay, Amazon automatically gets notified, syncs everything, and goes and processes the order. When you're actually doing this yourself, you can see right here what it's going to look like. It's going to have the order ID, the order date, the source of eBay. It's going to say accepted. You can also view it on Amazon and everything gets automatically integrated. You can also go to integration and make sure all the integrations are properly set up. Order sync, tracking sync, inventory sync, and everything like that. So that way, when the orders come in, everything's automatically synced. And you can go through the settings to make sure that Amazon ships it in a blank box instead of an Amazon box. If you want to go to your plans right here, you can see that they do offer a free plan, and I just recommend to stay on the free plan until you start making enough money where you can upgrade to a growth, pro, or custom plan. Now, I'm not an affiliate, I don't have a discount, but this works extremely well. And if you needed a more step-by-step tutorial, you can always go to our website right in the description and then go to services, courses, and we have a course on how to connect your Amazon and eBay account. This video should give you the gist on how to do it yourself, but if you really want somebody to walk you through step by step, we have a course for that, as well as connecting your Amazon account to your TikTok, which is something separate. Last but not least, if you're just not making money on Amazon at all and need help before you launch on eBay, you can just click free listing audit on our description to get to our website. We'll do a free listing audit and we'll explain exactly what you need to do to improve your Amazon sales, which is super important. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This means we're going to be managing your inventory, handling your customer service, running ads, dealing with Amazon support for you, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's not about helping you just work in your business. It's about helping you work on your business so you don't have to be doing the day-to-day stuff. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.